How do I add a child account to Family Link on my iPhone?
Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a child account to Google's Family Link on your iPhone. Today, we'll go through this process in a simple, easy-to-follow manner. Family Link is a fantastic tool by Google that allows parents to manage their child's device, set digital ground rules, and much more.
What do you need?
Before we start, make sure you have the Family Link app installed on your iPhone. The child's device must be an Android device or a Chromebook. You will also need your Google account details and your child's Google account details if they have one. If they don't worry, we'll walk through how to create one.
How do you open Family Link?
Start by opening the Family Link app on your iPhone. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do that now with your own Google account.
How to create a child's Google account?
In the Family Link app, tap on the Add Plus icon, then select Create a Child Account. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked for your child's name, birthday, gender, and you'll need to create a unique Gmail address for them.
How to add the child account to Family Link?
Once you've created your child's Google account, return to the main screen of the Family Link app on your iPhone. Tap the Add Plus icon again, but this time choose Add Child. Enter the Gmail address you just created for your child's account. Then follow the instructions to add your child's device to your Family Link account. This will usually involve entering a code on your child's device that the Family Link app gives you.
How to manage the new child account?
After you've added your child's account to Family Link, you can customize the settings for their account. This includes managing their Google Play downloads, setting screen time limits, and even locking their device when it's time for bed. And that's it. You've successfully added a child account to Google's Family Link on your iPhone. You can now effectively manage and control the digital environment for your child. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, stay safe and happy parenting.